Hello everyone, so we just got the stand all finished up. It's looking great, especially for the price. I'll just give you a quick detailed description. That way you guys hopefully be able to do something like this on your hunting property. So we have the Terrain Edge box blind sitting on top of a 6x8 frame made out of 2x6s. Sitting on 4x4 posts, cross braced with 2x4s. The staircase is a 2x12 stringers and steps, and the handrail is a 2x6. Very simple materials, very easy build. Not a whole lot of carpentry skills needed. And this is a great addition to a hunting property. You can sit out longer, not get cold as easily. It's a great looking blind, a great looking stand. I'll walk up and show you the deck. As I stated, the deck is 6x8, while the box blind is only 4x4. I did this for the simple fact that I have some room to open the door. As you can tell, there is the sticker Terrain. The inside, there's 4 windows, 1 on each wall and 1 on the door. Coming inside, closing the handle, gives you a look out of all of the windows. It's a very nice size blind for one person. The color of stain that I used was Minwax Gunstock 231. I put it on pretty heavy, so it is a pretty dark red, but I think it blends very well with the green of the stand. So nothing fancy as far as carpentry work, just built it sturdy, built it simple, but I was able to build it for pretty cheap. These 4x4 posts are 2 foot in the ground. They're all cross braced and screwed together with a piece here. It's a very sturdy, stable blind and platform. Look up. Again, nothing crazy on the build. Just giving you guys a good view so that if you wanted to build something like this, you could get some ideas. I'm gonna backtrack and show you the full blind once again. So there it is, guys. Super easy build, good price. If you want to save some money and not spend $250 or so on a staircase, you can go a lot more simple with that and save yourself some money. But total, you're looking right here right around $1,000. A very doable project for some deer hunters to be able to have a enjoyable place to hunt. Thanks, guys.